Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. A lot of you are working from home right now and you're using your laptops, which weren't really designed to keep you working all the time. You were supposed to bring your laptop home, bring it back to the office, plug it into your docking station, use your external keyboard, mouse, monitor, all that. I'm doing a quick video today because I want to show you how to use your trackpad properly. I'm going to use this little tablet here as a trackpad. What basically goes on when you use a trackpad is people tend to, the button's usually right in front, and they rest their hand like this, and they do this all day. The problem with doing this motion is that your wrist only moves this far, and anything that rests will tend to pivot. So you rest your wrist on the surface that you're working on, and you go back and forth like this, like a windshield wiper. You're making your wrist work to its maximum ability. It only moves this far once again. A better way to use your trackpad is when you're not using your mouse or you're not typing, rest your arms at your side and look at your screen and read what you need to read. When you're ready to work, you take your elbow and you bend. You want to make sure you're at about 90 degrees when you're working, and move your hand around like this on the trackpad. Much better motion as far as ergonomics go, because your elbow and shoulder can move a much greater distance, so it's a lot less tasking for them to do the control of using the trackpad. When you go to click, bring your arm back and you click like this, or you can also use the functions on your trackpad to just click that way. That would be my advice that I would definitely recommend. Make sure that you're working on a surface where you can get your elbow to 90 degrees. Otherwise, if I was shorter, I'd be reaching up like this. Typically, people work on a table like a kitchen table, and that's a lot higher than your desk that you're working at, and your chair's a lot lower. So now you're reaching up like this, and usually you shrug your shoulder just to make sure that you get a little more comfortable. Then you end up with neck and shoulder pain afterward. So try to figure out if you can get some cushions underneath your seat when you're sitting at your desk to get your elbow at a better height. You can also use an ironing board to rest your computer on that and use that as like a standing desk. That might be a better height for you. There's other ways to change the way that you're working. You can always, sit on the couch and put the laptop on a pillow or something. There's all sorts of different ways to try to get your elbow to about a 90-degree angle. So that's a little bit longer than I probably should have been doing, but that's okay. I wanted to really be thorough and help you out while you use your trackpad on your laptop at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are in the office today, 10 to 1 and 3 to 7. We'll be here tomorrow as well. We're not changing our hours. We are an essential business, and we're here to help people get out of musculoskeletal pain so that they're not forced to go to a doctor who really should be managing coronavirus patients right now. Thanks so much for watching. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.